Okay, another very quick introduction for you. Chapter 4 is a big chapter. We're actually going to spread it out over 2 weeks. It covers civil liberties and civil rights. This will be a brief introduction. You will go on to watch the other video lectures that go into a great deal of detail. But what I want to set out is the distinction that our textbook makes. So we often use the terms civil rights and civil liberties as interchangeable, but our textbook defines them as distinct things, and it kind of helps you think about two different things that are guaranteed to citizens in our Constitution. So civil liberties are things the government cannot do to citizens. These are all rights that are set out, and again, it's hard to talk about them without using the two words interchangeably. So civil liberties are the things that are guaranteed in our Bill of Rights, limits on what the government can do. So government cannot restrict the speech of citizens. Government cannot restrict religious practice. Government cannot restrict the ability of citizens to own weapons if they choose. So all of these things that are in our Bill of Rights, restrictions on ways in which the government can interfere with citizens, those are civil liberties. Civil rights, on the other hand, are defined as a legal or moral claim that citizens can make on the government. They are things that the government can be required to defend for all citizens. So these are things that include the right to vote, the right to equal treatment, things like that. These come from the 14th Amendment. So very, very brief distinction. As you read through the textbook and watch the other lectures, this will become clearer. So although we use the terms interchangeably when we're just having ordinary speech, for the purposes of our textbook, civil liberties and civil rights mean different things. All right.